Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw distributions from a DST with U.S. Bank, detailed guides, to withdraw distributions from a Delaware Statutory Trust, or DST, with U.S. Bank. Begin by logging into your online banking account. Navigate to the Investment Services section. Select the option for Trust or Investment Accounts. Locate your Delaware Statutory Trust account from the list. Click on the account to view detailed information. Identify the current balance and the available distributions. Take note of the distribution amounts and the dates they are expected to be distributed. Prepare the necessary personal identification and account details for verification. Contact U.S. Bank's customer service through the provided phone number or online messaging service. Inform the representative that you wish to withdraw distributions from your DST. Follow their instructions to verify your identity. Provide the representative with the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm how you would like to receive the funds, whether through direct deposit, a check, or another method. Request a confirmation of your withdrawal request. Allow time for the processing of your request. Check your account regularly for updates on the withdrawal status. Once processed, verify that the funds have been received in your chosen payment method. Retain all confirmation details for your records in case of any discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.